Hello everyone, this is AD sir, lecturer, Department of Biology, St. Gregory's High School and College. I hope you are doing well and doing your studies regularly. Today, I'm going to start a new topic in chapter 7, exchange of gases. And we are going to discuss today human respiratory system, and on that the nose and the nasal cavity and sinuses. That's the topics we are going to discuss today. So let's start our discussion for today. Human respiratory system. The respiratory system is the organs and other parts of your body involved in breathing when you exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Your respiratory system include your nose and nasal cavity, sinuses, mouth, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, capillaries, and diaphragm. So altogether, these organs, these are working for our respiration, is called respiratory system. Okay, the respiratory system does two very important things. It brings oxygen into our body, which we need for our cells to live and function properly. And it helps us to get rid of carbon dioxide, which is a waste product of cellular function. I have already described this respiratory system or what is respiration in my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please go there in my playlist and watch it now. Otherwise, these topics will be difficult for you. Okay, so now we will start from nose. Nose, this is the very first point where respiratory system starts its work. The nose is the external protuberance of an internal space, the nasal cavity. It is subdivided into a left and right canal by a thin medial cartilaginous and bony wall, the nasal septum. Okay. Its front side is covered with cilia, and the rear part is lined by mucus producing membrane. The cilia, along with mucus, do some cleaning work in your nose. They trap foreign substances such as germs, bacteria, dust in them, so lungs can get purified air. The floor of the nasal cavity is formed by the palate, which also forms the roof of the oral cavity. There is special nerve in our nose called olfactory nerve. Olfactory nerve in the nose stimulates the organ to give us the sense of smell. That's why we can actually smell something. Okay, there's by the help of this olfactory nerve. Now I'm going to start sinus. That part is not mentioned in your book, but this is a very important part to know about. The sinuses are located in 4 different skull bones: the maxilla, the frontal, the ethmoid, and the sphenoid. What is sinus actually? Sinus is free space in the skull bones carrying some gases. Correspondingly, They are called the maxillary sinus, the largest one, the frontal sinus, the ethmoid sinus, and the sphenoid sinus. These sinuses have two principal functions. Because they are filled with air, they help keep the weight of skull within reasonable limits. And they serve as resonance chambers for the human voice. I hope this sinus word is very familiar to you. Do you have any other words in your memory that is related with sinus? If you know anything related with this sinus word, the word or something else, please comment in the comment box and let me know that you know that is something related with this sinus word. If you don't know, definitely I will answer it for you. So today's video is a very short video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and now this is your homework. Homework is also a very short ones. What is cilia? How does it work? Describe the structure of nasal cavity. What is sinus? How many sinuses do you have in your body? Mention their name. I hope you will complete your homework as soon as possible and put it in the comment box. So that's it for today, boys. Thanks for watching the whole video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.